Thank you, Mr. President and members. Members over here to my right, you'll see the Delgado baseball team, Delgado Community College in New Orleans. Delgado has been around for a very long time, and in fact, its athletic program goes back about 90 years. They have made great success in baseball over the years, and in fact, this year they had even better season. This year, Delgado earned the 2014 Mississippi-Louisiana Conference title. The record was 43-13 overall. They also earned the 2014 Region 13 title, the college's 8th regional title in the past 9 seasons. They captured the South Central District Championship to earn a berth in the Junior College World Series and represent our state. Delgado truly represents our state as the players come from throughout the southeastern part of our state. They come from the players had an amazing run. 8 student athletes earned associate degrees this year during the team's run, 2 of whom were named Chancellor Honor graduates with at least 3.8 grade point averages. And their coach, Joe Schauman, was recognized by his peers as Conference, District, and Region Coach of the Year. Coach Schauman has earned his 800th career victory at Delgado Community College this season, and they have done a wonderful thing. And the resolution we passed earlier today recognizes today, May 29th, as Delgado Dolphins Day here in the Louisiana State Senate. So would you help me congratulate the Delgado baseball team?
Thank you, Senator Martin. Congratulations to those young people.